Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T bringing you another video, man, and we have more case reviews for the iPhone XS Max. Now, we got some premium, nice looking leather cases, man. Shout out to Mujjo for reaching out to me for dropping me these cases to review. These cases came from very far away, so it took a while for these cases to come, man, but it looked like the quality looks A1 just by the picture on the box. So let's go ahead and jump into them. Now, we're definitely two leather cases, as you see, for iPhone XS Max Mujjo. We have one black, which this is kind of like a wallet style, and we have more of your traditional leather case style here. Flipping them over on the back, you can kind of read some of the details for yourself, man, but they got some notable websites up here that these cases have been featured on. So hopefully they're going to be a good quality, man. So let's go ahead and first start off with, we're going to say that one because I really like that one, man. Let's go ahead and start off with the leather wallet case. Mujjo, super nice packaging, man. And you can kind of read this for yourself. It's kind of hard to catch this on camera because this is like real chromey or silver or however you want to call it. But here it is. We got the Mujjo case and we're going to flip this out here. Very nice packaging, man. I can always appreciate some nice packaging when a company sends me things, man. And I just take a little care. I don't like tear the packaging open, man. I kind of like take my time with it a little bit. So here is the leather card wallet case. Now this does have a little faux card. Now we're gonna actually keep this, man, because I never have cards when I do these reviews, but today I got cards, man, to do this review. So let's take a look at the case, man. Very nice feeling case. Very nice feeling leather right offhand. You get some of that Mujjo branding here. You see you get that cutout for your camera. You get a raised power button there, raised volume up, down, cutout for your mute toggle switch. Flipping over on the back, you know it is completely cut out. Please be aware when that bottom is completely cut out and the top is definitely 100% closed. On the inside, you do get some more Mujjo branding here, and you get a very nice micro felt lining on the inside, and that actually protects the back of your iPhone. So let's go ahead and pop this case in and let's see how it fits. So here it is, Mujjo leather wallet. Feels very good so far. So let's go ahead and take a look around. Let's see how these buttons feel and all of that, man. So pressing the power button, nice and tactile, no issue. Volume up, volume down buttons feel very good, not mushy at all. And that's a good job because sometimes on these leather cases, those buttons can seem a little mushy, and getting to that mute toggle switch is not deeply recessed, so very easy to get to. And flipping over on that bottom, you already know the bottom is completely open. So if you want to drop this, please be aware your bottom is open down there and you may can damage some things down there. So shut up, Siri, before you even start talking. But flipping over on the back, you do get that cutout for your camera and everything's good and has a little bit of protection if you were to lay this down on the table. Now, how does the lay on the table protection work? Now, I do have the white stone dome glass, and this is actually the first case video I did since I installed it. So if you want to see that, I will link that above and below. But with the white stone dome, you see it doesn't really offer that much lay on the table protection. Now, the thing about it is this is a leather case, man. This isn't meant to be a heavy duty case. This is for when you're dressing up, you're doing certain things like that, then you rock this case. You're not really worried about protection when rocking cases like this, but it doesn't offer you that much lay on table protection, but it is what it is. It's to be known when you got these leather cases. Next up, how does it actually fit? And the fit is very good. You have to really try to get this case out. There is no giving. There is no, flexible edges or nothing like this. Nice fitting case. And I expected to fit this way. The way the presentation, the way everything was laid out for me, man, I expect the fit to be good. So the fit is A1. And how does it actually feel in my hand? Definitely feels good. I mean, leather, it feels like a leather case in your hand, doesn't add much bulk, keeps your device fairly thin. Now, let's go ahead and bring some of these cards over here. Now, I do got an old hotel room key, so let's slide one card in here. Let's see how many cards that it can actually take. Here it is, a Starbucks gift card. So that's 2 cards. Now, it's starting to get a little tight in there with 2 cards, man. So, and let's try the little Mujjo third card, certificate of authenticity. That's pretty dope that they give you that, man, so you know it's the official deal. And here is 3 cards. So you see here, I can add 3 cards in there. I'm not sure if it's stretching it out or anything like that, but 3 cards are definitely in there, and bringing the wireless charger. Even with the cards in there, 3 cards, it does still work with wireless charging. So this is the Mujjo leather wallet. All right, next up, man, full leather case. So you already know what we rocking with on this one. This is basically almost the same, except there's no wallet slot. This is going to be your comparison to the Nomad Ruggeds. Then this is going to be a comparison to the Apple leather cases. This is what this is, man. This color, and I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, man, but this color looks very, very good. I'm not even going to lie. Like, it looks good. And I've been wanting to run a leather case. Just didn't want to pay that premium that Apple wanted for that leather case, man. But this one looks very, very nice, man. This brown color, very good. Screams high quality. Now I'm not really gonna go over the case. It's the same thing, same button, same cutout, same inside with the microfiber. Let's just go ahead and slap it on the iPhone XS Max and see what we're working with, man. So here it is. Here it is, the Mujjo full leather case. Now let me go ahead and look on the back of this and see what type of leather this is. Say this protective case is fully wrapped with premium quality vegetable tan leather to create a super slim profile following the contours of the device. Now I'm not sure if this is one that we'll wear over time. Just trying to read some details on the back. Full grain leather is a natural product which can slightly vary. Okay, cool. It tells you right there, man, that marks may appear on the hide, which makes each case unique and sets them apart from one another. And that's kind of what I really like about leather cases. So looking around this case, power button, volume up, volume down, the same, nice and tactile, man. The mute toggle switch isn't hard to get to. Flipping it over on that bottom, you already know your bottom is cut out. We just running through this stuff because it's very similar. Lay on the table protection, you already see it doesn't offer that much lay on table protection, but it is compatible with the white stone dome glass. And how does it fit on the phone? And the fit is very, very good. I literally been thinking about using the leather cases my daily, and I just may have found the one that I'm going to use on this case, man, because it feels good. This case is really solid, man. Definitely feels good. Keeps that slim profile. You have that leather, so you already know you do have some good grip when it comes to this case. And that, even though it's very slim, that camera lens is still recessed in there, so when you drop it down on the table, it'll still be protected, man. And dropping it down on the wireless charging, it does work with wireless charging. So this is the full leather case. Let's move this wireless charge out the way. Here's the full leather case. And if you want to rock with something, if you want to get some wallet cases, if you want to get some cards in there to step out to dinner, don't feel like carrying your wallet, definitely check out the leather case, the leather wallet case, man. But I'm going to leave the links to both of these cases down in the description below. First time doing this brand on the channel, and they have some excellent, excellent quality. So links will be down below, man. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, comment, and hit that subscribe button, man, for more accessories for the iPhones, any other device I got, man. More accessories coming. But technically, I'm going to catch you on the next one. Later.